How to add headings to Google Docs outlines. So in this video tutorial we're going to learn about, so let's start with the video guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open Google Docs first. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Google Docs blank page. So here this is the outline, and whatever you add here it will be show here. But before that I'm going to show you something, that in Outlook you will see only headings you add to documents will appear. Okay, only headings will be appear here. So whatever content you have, if I got this content, I just paste this two content here. So you can see I got first content here and I got another content here, like text line, and I add some paragraphs. Okay, for example, okay, so this is only example. Okay, so if I want to add any headlines in outline, I have to make this particular content or line as a headline. So this is, if I select this content or line, you can see this is normal text, but if I make it the title, it will be appear here. If I make it the heading 1, it will be appear here. And also I can make the heading 2, it will be also appear on outline. So if you want to add headlines in outline, if you want to add something, a title or text in your outline, then you have to make it heading or title or heading 1 or 2 or 3. Okay, so same, if you want to add this title in outline, same, you have to make it from normal to heading 1. Okay, you can make changes of heading. If you make any changes of any heading, you can change, and you can apply these changes to all headings. Just select that headings. Now go to the tool, sorry, don't go to the headings, select that and just match to update this to all. Okay, this is heading 2 and this is heading 1, so I have to make this heading 1 because I have only one heading here. And if I make changes, anything like if I change color, this is for addition. If you want, you can apply for your content. Now if I make it to update heading to match, it will be applied to all heading 1. Okay, so whatever you add here, heading on title or subtitle, it will be add your outline. So you have to make that line headlines or heading to add into outline. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.